Hi, my name's Brendan from Concrete Sensors, and so my background's in construction management. I spent about 15 years building commercial buildings, and I started the company to answer some really basic questions. So the construction industry is one of the few markets where productivity has actually remained flat or gone down, and so what if we could actually move faster and do that by actually improving quality without taking bigger risks? And the idea came from, I was building a school in Boston. It was cold, and I was asked, so how do we know the concrete's going to cure appropriately? And I asked the concrete supplier, and I asked the contractor, and both gave me a kind of this resounding, trust us. And so what if we actually had better data? And so what were we really addressing? So it's really the strength, the temperature, and the relative humidity of the concrete, which today, if you're familiar with it, are done in a very manual way. So the way to determine strength is you literally pour a cylinder of concrete and you crush it. So obviously a lagging indicator and not an opportunity to accelerate your schedule. Similarly with temperature, wired methods, just single data points, not very actionable. Relative humidity, you actually have to drill a hole in your concrete to know what the relative humidity of your concrete is. So how much does that matter? Well, this is the same mix design curing at a hot temperature and a cold temperature, and there's an 8-day swing. And when it costs $10,000 to $20,000 a day to operate a construction project, that's a significant opportunity. So a little bit about our solution. You can think about it in three pillars. The first is we have a piece of hardware. Second is we have software. And the third is that we actually have a lab where we test different concrete recipes, what we call mix designs. Each of those perform a little bit differently. And by getting that data, we're able to know what's going to happen in the field. So what's the value to our customers? Well, first, what if you pour concrete, what if you could strip it faster, move to the next step faster? If you're drying concrete, being able to put flooring down, avoiding a $10 million lawsuit over a failed floor, being more aggressive, winning business. And a quick ROI calculator is something I'm frequently asked. Well, there's significant opportunity just by being able to move a day faster. When you may have 100 or 200 pours and we can help you save at least a day per pour, there's a big opportunity to save money. So to date, we've made sales to 11 of the top 20 largest general contractors here in the US. And if you think there's an opportunity with you, we'd love to talk with you. Thank you.